Welcome back, guys. So to get a paid ad campaign, to start a paid ad campaign, we are going to need to get a virtual card. You can use your actual bank card, but I prefer to get a virtual card. And there are platforms that give virtual cards. I'll be using Gray right now. There's a platform called Gray. You just search Gray on your Google and you'll see the first index is gray.co. This is the website I'll be using to get a virtual card. All you have to do is to click on get started to get started. Then you register right here and do all the necessary compliance that by showing your identification, either your national ID card or your international passport. Any of those will suffice. I would create an account right now, and that's what you do. Just sign up. Then having to sign up, you have a dashboard like this. You'll be given a Nigerian account. If you want to get a virtual card, click on here to get a virtual card. Then a Nigerian account, I loaded the Nigerian account with 10,000 naira already. You load it with your money, whether $8 account, pounds, you have a USD account, you have a pounds account, and you have an euro account right here. This is a Nigerian account. So what I'm going to do now is I want to convert this money to my virtual card. I got the virtual card for $5. Here is the virtual card. Just click on here to get a virtual card. You'll be able to get a virtual card for $5. And here is the card creation. I was able to create a card for $5, and that is that about that. But for now, I want to load this card so I can use it to fund my Facebook ads wallet, and that's what I'll do right now. All I have to do is to add money to the wallet. I'm going to fund this wallet. The virtual card, actually, if you have a card, you don't need to do all this. You use your card directly. I want to fund this wallet. I'll fund it with naira, which is 10,000 naira. I'll say 10,000. I'll fund it with this 10,000 naira, and this is the conversion rate, $6.54. This is what I'll be using to practicalize the paid advertisement with Facebook for your business. So I'm going to continue this. I'm going to continue with the conversion, and having to convert this is going to convert it back to dollars, and I have that. So right now I have that on my card. Card deposit is processing. Once it's processed, I'm going to have that money in this card, and I'll use this card to fund my paid ads account. So create a Gray account, get a virtual card. If you don't have one, you can get a virtual card, create the account, try to meet their compliance by giving them your identification, and fund your virtual card the way I just funded it, or fund your actual card. And we'll see in the next lesson we'll get to fund our Facebook ads account. Then from there we can create paid ads. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.